Hey, Paula, I'm not much of a carpenter, but I have used this thing, and it's not near as complicated as they make it out to be. One of the first things you're going to have to figure out if you're using a 2-bolt pull or a single knob. But either way, you may want to find your center. So you need 2 measurements. You need to know the center of this drawer. So if it's 24 inches wide, your center is going to be at 12, right? And then you want your center from the top to the bottom. If you want your pulls in the center, you may want them higher or lower. You can figure that out. But once you have that one drawer figured out, then you can lock this thing in place, and this jig will take you from drawer to drawer, and all your measurements will be the same. So to get side to side, you're going to mark the center. And this hole here, if you put that on the center mark, you're going to be dead in the center of the drawer. Then you've got the up and down. So you would adjust this thing. Your pull would be up or down. So you put it in a center. I'm just going to assume this is center. And here are your 2 pull screws. So you can take your pull that you have bought and you can match it up with these holes. But wherever it ends up, you want to make sure that the numbers are equal on either side, so you know that your screw holes are the right distance apart and that it's lined up in the center of the drawer. So if you're at 2 inches out here and you're 2 inches here and your pull screws were at 4, then you know that you're in the center. So you would lock that down here, lock that here, and you're going to drill your holes with your drill bit through these holes. Now, if you're using a single pull like a knob, you're going to use this center hole. That's where you're going to do your drilling right here. So if I go from this, I've already set where I wanted the pulls. I've got the hole width wide enough. Now I've just finished drawer number 1. I've drilled my holes and now I'm through with it. Now I'm going to the second. I've marked my center and I've set that jig on there, and it's going to go on identical to it. So all you have to figure out is how high on it that you want your pull. Do you want it dead center? Center's easier because you center from here and then your center from the side. So you can just draw your little bullseye in there. Once you mark that, once you line that center up, then the rest is just getting the pull equal distance on each side. I hope that helps. Holler if you have any questions.